fe orange ne de aka kare nyina e wo mamu de ye papa mu api tu bona nwumre ne sana abonze na ho sisi ho so watimi adai a de che a ejuma bi a wo ye bi a wato aso akwa eti for mana no 0246 270-221 0246 270-221 and 0558 106-348 0558 106-348 me pacho ofra babi obi adibi ebe bro me amia wodo na ogibi ene manager Daniel 21st keneke he overseas obagibi Mama Esther orwani chemo enso ewu akọ nso obagibi PNC Ventures anomanji taxi station of Charity Hospital no on sabetimi akabi na afi na Sachi Enterprise no orwani chemo asafo abinchia VIP car park no boama ne ma da ye pa etimiera ma abe herbal clinic ejuma ma me abe ye no ejuma no edin ko na bi don koten o de be kan na so no wanya aya isa nya de as side effect bia ne ade wechi na de hia pa ni oye be ma na wade ni so akọ ma me ne be boa transition from Wiser to Beam Nation na ade no mo ye du na ye ba che ntie pema no maku akwa wo be ma mu a baby girls na ba ne no wadi ni so aya na omapa like akrizans omosi aso ni omuhyiama udi omo agro barade no mu edu na afeja wo ma na omo uzampa waba adwuma pa di e wozo kọ na mamia behwe na oboa na Beam Nation kofo no brana bra be kan mo na ne mande da yeso enfama ya bi obi obere na wabomode etimi asa unyi na prostate ne yekese na prostate ne yekese no wanhwe entimi entu ana ma da bi no yere bibi kwa akoto be mam na araba mo de omo de ne zenyunu nyadwo ne emo aduane di a de aka bia edem nkomo mode wo fema wanhwe ya araba de be kwa akoche ma ne nyesa entonto penalty fi akọ na mframa bonde na kwakodu okọ ya asumi ni wa checkers ka obecheche ni nsemu de ti bebacho emane nyansa eti ozo hwe na ma mene boa na osuso osome de ma low spend count de ntokwa bebre etimi aba ofie ni no be na watwa no baby girls no o center boat no ene ayemra akọ ne entitled mframa na baby chichi enye de nya akọ no asundwe ebe fie bosome so bunsa na account dwe niema enhyerande da ye etimi emfa emana afa no echi nso no unzampa infi obi bibia and de se medi kankan ye no ana afi so kra no twa ya baako a edi nkofo nya pa na animguase so ma me na so ye okọ a simple bre na waso ano na aboa masad ni na to etwa second sounds azem de ye mfa na nimizanze ne nkwada ya ye no edi omunya no omukọ ye no nyame na ma me no so aboa mo so no enyankwa niama deda ye pray timi ede emom tu kwa second test no ye scan test no ye tano so apatrapa new site or ben apatrapa junction 0243 345392 0243 na 0506 460208 0506 460208 no mwa nane mande da die pa etimi emfa emampe for confirm zene champion of champions no sere mon common yedi kan baba be di etimi de chomo no niama de on the 10th September na jumadi no ejepini etimi akoso munchemu no yesi ne venue ayi no Cape Coast Sports Stadium at 6 p.m. prepare ene betimi akoso e mediama omobo omode eje Ghanaian League no and Dreams FC omonso no ebo omode ayi Africa por omoje ye no ene be na curtain raiser na ye match we de nya match keto akra monsieur Sebusia abonto drafts IDK ID Pandi yene avonomos viper na vipers for omwasem we team no na yenyo omo pa third we no eno no 3 p.m. ti awie vipers awie no na afa nwumre show na nkasa etimi ahase na aboa manema de da ye pre timi era mana ne the Ghana Football Association omaso no ye bomodin etimi emampinfo a ina omutimi ekoko forms no zedebi no omobewura ma obebi a ewo so omukọ no omukọ pre ne eto omo so aba no ebo omode ekọ submit omo forms no na yendidi di nkomo akra orwani chemo Greater Accra NP per friend Samuel Bebri do na e friend Qatar ono na ne no the Greater Accra no eba no omo football na oye chioda no ogbo ejuma timi ere mama na okoko fa ne form no okoe no odidi di nkomo akra ebo omode e kan se metimi efa na jezene the current if you so no so no ne form na wafa ne nemo di ram ti Samuel Bebri we nkomo odi ye ene nemo di eram na jeze Qatar say no de ne nsem ne tudwa
filing nomination for the second term anything I ever has said moral support because why you I say and something and then Once they don't be play football people. Abba say man moral support. Say only second term.
Now you are second term.
The move. And then I'll change. This is Sunday where they are almost that enemy. And then
until you are when the class.
I was 27. We share Tamale. I'm my uncle. And I'm going to follow me there. We came for that. We're filing. We file answer now. President filing. Because I didn't want to be the mini head. But I'm a councillor. You know, this 4 years now. Maybe at least them say I mistakes on we correct him. Now I'm making sure say very level now.
Finally, I didn't have to check Ghana for
the American catch himself on Siapotre. Now football rebuild in the area. It's here 4 years. 4 years no cry COVID for let's say 1.5 years. Into Usha 2.5 years and they are running Ghana football and arena football. And you know what's my now next 4 years no difference no very great. The almost is here.
Eltia no ye command ni prepare friend Qatar na cheze odo wani chemo Greater Accra. RFA chair no na ne wa bomode din command James Ampa. Ota the Ghana Football Association President Nichi na ejuma wa bono o GDC esama ni fie 9 kan wo be na wa boa na ne ma de ye pa etimi ede amomo eno nso echi no Edmond Naka oro wani chemo sama tesana chezo pimpa no no so no ebo na ejuma no so no de akwa akotum se esko no peso oba eba be ruamo no no so etimi ebo ejuma na no after so oba ba be submit ne de se no so no enkomo no bomo de ne edi.
Let's hear Johnny Biao. I am not the way I can't say Mona. Baby, and I said, I dare know, and a prayer hour area purposes night. Why? Because I need a deadline for the submission of my forms. If the product, I say at the table, and Kawu person. But you can't create a product more. I'm important, yeah. I didn't know. I said, it's been someone who, you know, Sompa, say, young cancer, Fafa product. They cancer, Fafa product. You know, football. Once you show, I had my channel, so be no beacon. We know we know we are, we know we ask that is football for you. I don't want any product, I did come home as we do ever.
Eddie, Matasa was a school. How true is that?
Yes, by the course of the year, what would the Monaka be?
But it's also Beko.
Yeah, my father.
All right. We show best.
Military girls would wait you. My father. It is my father. For everything is set. President Ebabe father in the game.
Okay.
I say, Obia person already yes.
All right.
I'm also started filing. We were Greater Accra. I was filing in the game.
Okay.
Other school members from Division 1 at their premier. My own brother Elijah Kabi is around.
Yeah.
What I say, you know, football head. Don't make us a powerful.
All right. That's it.
Eltia no ye command ni sama tesmen perfect monaka so epomodin edi eramani na mono neboa na nema deda ye pretimi edi emo montini na tumu se dodo na ne kokokoshiama manso a ye de ri chemu nana oduro safo ozo ne already esko no so dada ogbo ejuma na ono so ebomode ediri nkomo etimi ere che na se no obomode ono so de nsem no etudwa.
4 years was not enough for me to have executed whatever was assigned to me to do. I always have one project, that's the Pram Pram. When I came and I was attached to the Pram Pram committee, then there were 20 acres of land. But we may buy 20 acres, between my 18.6. And in that me free or me was 67.25 acres. I make my GFA. I chose GFA. And before say, I can't say me register land. Me register land. I can say me palm squatters also. I've started it. Let me finish it. When I finish it, I'll go.
Okay.
Tia no ye koma ni na nasa fodro hapo modere to ya jezampa pampa edwane ede share ne za waya de obaye na check case na na form ne wa pagam na monfa 9 nka no ho na wi edwuma na kama pa na bibia etimi end da ye so etimi ere ma de brain sani da amrebetwem no na kasa etimi ere ma de Ghana Football Association no zo no era abaye de ko tamale anko frekazo tamale de emeze ya ni we ya Okasa create me for na see no so dey nsem no team to dwa.
In Ivory Coast.
No, he's not in Burundi.
Is Tamale in Togo?
No.
Tamale is part of Ghana.
Yes.
So when the Congress goes here one day and the other day it goes here, it's in order. The last time we held the Congress in Kumasi, it went on very well.
I called you already.
So why the hue and cry this time? Are they afraid of Tamale? Is there any? There are no lions in Tamale. Human beings live there. They play football there. So must it always be Accra?
Now let's look at it.
It tells you that a lot of people have seen that football is good. A lot of people have ideas that they want to bring on board. It is important. People from all persuasions come together and also, freely contest the way they want. If they're able to get their endorsements and all of those things, they should come. Let them contest so we can get the best brains to run the game for the country. People have said some will go, some will come. But let the people contest, and the football people know best. No one should sit or be on the radio station or media to think that they know and they must decide who should be the leader. The football people, they are paying their money, they are wasting their time, they are putting in their efforts.
They know what is good for them.
They know what is good for them. So let's give them the opportunity to decide who must be on the ESCO. And I think that everyone who's coming on the ESCO has a noble vision or a noble desire to be able to serve football in the country in some way. We should give them the opportunity.
Will you at this point?
Tia no ye koma ni Ibrahim Sani da about mo de timi di no we bo amane ma cause tamale ko lion cry ni twie dey jata on ono jate ni was egwe on kangana ho na ozo bizaze oye Mali oye Ivory Coast ho kangana on die de ko enye we na fe ozo edu bibia se chofo yenki anu ntu kakra ni jama football people obo ye omade a omonye na omon kokokoto abanyu bi obeba na baba bebo Dr. Tony Obin so ne yoru ani chema na Jesus ko no so obi ne okoko pie ma no so bo omade kokeda odidi di kobo se ne kobo de tuja.
I mean, it would have been boring if get his own independence. I mean, on the purpose, it would have meant that maybe we have tried to rob entrance to other people. So for me, I want to also congratulate Mr. for taking that bold decision to make democracy beautiful in Africa. There's no problem about that. But I think it is obvious that the challenge is formidable. Previously, he was a very strong. Some people were surprised even when it didn't go.
Tia no ye command Dr. Tony Obin ebo de timere tu judges ampa adena kweze na baby ba kwa ya na eno kra na ma agro ne nyede na hwe djuma opimpa na bono ne niema no serisi kwa na jeze bia hye pa etimi edi ema no divine chei Nations FC ene opimpa no so no edwamo ekokodi kono so see no obo de ne command jai.
For me, I think he's earned the right to go for a second time. Like he said rightly during Congress, and the game was virtually dead, and we were playing no football in this country. You see, from what I've seen, the kind of structures that is built upon, some of the basic things that we needed in football. For example, Division 1 clubs, we're given football boots, soccer balls, so many things. I mean, those are just welfare stuff, but I think he has earned the right to bid for another term as the FA president.
And I know your command also about what the team to ya to where me there adansi die pa nane dodo na kokoko di eboa ma na ma dadi pretimi ede ema eboa ma na ma dadi ede na momma me time a ene bibibia de dadi a the former vice president of the Ghana Football Association George Free bomodin ekoko submit in the forms no na yehwe kakra okoko di oje na kunya bomodin ye bibibia kama ewie ne sere nema esi ewura no nti ona age na kunya bomodin submit na abo ma na ma kue na me mama enti kakra sere nema sikoi
Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports. Sompa Sports.
Sa prepe na etimi ekoso a eramu etimi era man after no odidi nkomo akra after say was submit forms na we no nkomo no see no bomo de etimi edija.
The first step is to rescue our football. If the sporting public, if the clubs is satisfied with our football, then I don't need to contest. If the sporting public, if Ghanaians, if football club owners, people who spend their daily life and money to run football, if they are satisfied with the position of our football currently, then me, George Afrie, I don't need to rescue Ghana football. The truth is that for the past 4 years, our football is divided. The truth is that our football has declined. For the first time in the history of our country, a Hassan Kotoko was open free gate, yet still it was empty. If Ghanaians think that the performance of our national teams in recent times is an improvement from 4 years ago, then I don't need to contest. If Ghanaians are satisfied with our leagues, then I, George Free, don't need to contest. If there is transparency in the administration of football, I don't need to contest. You've been made to believe that COVID strike. Now football politicians has turned into political party politicians. If you are a football person, you and I will agree that your budget for the year for a Premier Division, for a Division 1, is a minimum of $100,000. And if COVID strike, apart from your salaries to your staffs and players, what else do you spend on? There's no football. And it is not the case that a certain house of folk, or Kumasi Asante Kotoko, or Dreams FC, makes millions of dollars in every year. And so therefore, if COVID strike, then they are losing revenue. It is not the case. Our football every year, if you speak to people who spend money to run football, they will tell you the truth, that we are running football from our pocket, from our businesses. Sponsorship is not enough to run football in this country. And so don't let anybody deceive you that COVID strike. I'm hoping that the next argument will be that Ukraine has also affected football. I am sure, because they say COVID. And I'm saying, my name is George Kwesi Efiri. Under COVID, the money received by our association has never been given by our mother body FIFA. It's unprecedented. You can speak to member associations. You are in a global world. Ghana is just one of the 210 member associations. So don't let anybody tell you that COVID. Yes, COVID strike, we agreed. Yet we went into difficulty. We went through difficulties. But you have to ask yourself, this is the first time we had direct cash from our government. This is the first time our government sends Zoom lions to our stadia and to our offices to clean up the place. So don't let anybody deceive you that COVID strike and so therefore it affected our football. And for those of you who don't know, I want to educate all of you. Under normalization committee, there was a certain NC tournament. And this is what normalization committee, the football was handed over to people who were not football people. But those people was able to finance an NC special competition with a minimum of 30,000 each to a football club. So if a current administration gives you 30,000 Ghana cedis as a Division 1 club, what have you done? Why are we deceiving ourselves? I am saying it here on authority that in the past administration, the old administration headed by Mr. Kwesi Nyantechi, the maximum a federation member can receive from FIFA was a maximum of $275,000. It took Infantino, when he was campaigning to become the the president of FIFA, he said that FIFA has a lot of reserves and that money must be shared for football countries. It was Infantino who increased the annual, what we today call the FIFA forward, by $1 million. So my administration received $1,250,000 a year. FIFA gives them $250,000 a year. So minus sponsorship, this administration gets 1.5 million USD from the mother associations.
Etiano, ye come off this all bomb de eko ye submitting forms on bomb de anti as empretia come on no dinyan as a ne ejumana sisia ye no we fi on ekoya kon han ho kras oba ababa bijina se ni ye nto no so aba na ohre ni ama ba kumunu bi ni de eko ya pe na yakwa kofa covid asema ba aba be wo no so kaka se tama nsi no kra no na e ba no se football no hwesere ni mesi ko mo ntoto ye no mo nyewe no mo ba ye no Amba organize league ma ebo bibia kama ebo ama na ko yie na FIFA sika sem so na no na obomode timi acheche mu na president nankasa nso ebomode ono nso no no pay no timi ekọ submit in the forms no na momehwe time no nso ne de no de kwa kuram no ene sere ne masiko na unze KTS okraku na bibia dema na me ko yie permanent game changer ne de no say na no so isiete.
It is official.
Enti eno ye command ye bomode timi rama ebo amane ma daddy party KTS okraku na uzampa also meeting the forms no team manager the Black Stars of Ghana Minu Shadow and Nana Safu Odro and I was the vice no Mark Ado and chief of staff omunyina kan obi ani omobo kokowura mu kota ne chiebo amane ma ko ye kama pa etimi e de emo na after no odidi di nkomo akra ne zem no say no bomode etimi edijai
10:29 a.m. we filed our documents to contest for the position of the presidency of our Game changer. The process was very brief. The process was very smooth, and I want to say that they've been very, very well.
Elti ano ye command no na football man pay di tuja oba reception is the name is ko na ni age ho pa na o kan mo bia se wasandi atum se efie 9 no ye hwe na ye nto aba ma no ne football no nsan bra ma meto aso na ne man de di pa meko na me ne abia fo no to aso Michael Akomia Jemfi na Jemfi na bibia aboko de
yes abudia bibia de di
se watete tin command bia na se the name is ko no
Sompa Sports.
Famesha say nana vision ne apostle ba
okay offer boko de
na football republic no human
and no
yes you ha e de be adwuma fantastic ya ba no so de ne aba because there ya
every time of me check here
what are you saying what are you saying what are you saying masa ya bokina for na ba ya show mu tu na kura wie na maba no eze adwuma ketwa ne
Park for Burkina.
Oh, two, their mom.
Stop for that.
Aye, Oma.
It's a word of a chop and Ghana hala was so much harder.
I say a bo.
The Bia would
have Boss, Opa Kaba was good, but I have seminar with the soil.
There's no Munyadiana because from nations for you who are
about Park Swasher. You know, I was Aqua ever for that show.
Ah, from Molas is illegal autos. I
go there.
Yes, Abu Dhabi. Interesting times for Ghana football. Dodona pick your nominations from Ghanaians might not have a say one way or the other publicly in terms of how Ombesiti Afaso elect who becomes the next JFA president. Yentu Abaneti said the Electoral Commission a Bima Ghana new constituency B Muina Mukana Makosala Namda because it's the football people that are going to vote. Now nipa dodo na akasa ye mu abro mo de forms ne koye to on mi na no utie no wasum dia na most of them feel they are doing something and answer also mo ye bibi magana for ani je the national team no akakakra ye league ne nye ne akakakra but insem for bebra me busa me ho ne ye se insem mo kan ni na no mo no ba akoto abana nkasa no mo no madwen kire mo sei
de kan we chi ni na no mo mbekọ akoto
mo ba akoto abana o mo wa chiri no o mo madwen kire mo sei utie. And I heard the political line of how I'm for take your decisions. I know Bishop briefly about how I qualify so now to the tree net was the way before we be near 3 votes to suspect say we bet my say nana or honum there. But getting to the latter stage of Yabaka to Abanankasa no Munanga mo drain the impact of Ghana football one answer personally on Mangaza. Meno it will get to a certain point in time you can say about football there, but when it comes to voting, when it comes to JFA president, Abu necessarily I don't think Ghanaians should give it much attention.
Are they?
Ahunya. We say bien one my adwuma.
Sa.
Oh yeah.
They see me abia Ghana for na macho musu twaja draw and a national team call up on and a free player we uniform near the nyina emfa bia.
It's a matter of interest no be eko deliver.
We no sana yo.
It's just a meeting of interest. Necessarily we are benefiting no akodo ni be ku odu hubo mu bia na benya bibia di. One fan one join there when you be BND. So as a lame Ghanaian supporter, no support Kotoko support Hasa, a honor concentration was over Boma club net be 2 points. A hon when you so Black Stars call or money in idea or corner say far na far and far no massa banoma betin baby. Because whatever you say, utie or be a poster, maybe her body language, how the Paconigina was sitting in common. Most of them are speaking with Omope, Adebema Ghana for whom Bramo. What did they mention? I said, see, be whom mobile, but Mombeto Banankasa, or Mundi Madia Fede, whom Mobroni is obia interest.
I don't want to cut to
Abana. The forms in the Abu Dhabi or the call. Let's be honest with ourselves as Ghanaians. Yenny no crema home. That Shabata Kelly White, the chap peso. Obisuba me as you to well. Oh, let's open it. Oh, let's open it. Let's open it for sure. Make sure that you bring go for more dream. Ghana football team 2 points. Hey, Kwani FFF so anasanke pepepa. Come on, expect say also mudi Ghana football ni Ghana team 2 points. Make sure say ke mudu do no mo hono kra ko mudi ho. Ke mudu do no mo hono ko mudi ho. And omu nyina tetare ho because of interest. So Ghanaians should just think about their kotoko, think about your house, think about your Ashanti good, or be over baby or praise and fanembra. think about your busuado I said you uti said the bear club ni betime 2 pon amount say timi aka bibi blasters the tournament na de akoma pa any other pa e de akiri na wakọ akoye na hwe fans amafo de akiri toto ana hey chairman it looks like some of the same people tonight them can say hey blaster na ekọ yanko yesi but we share get 1-on-1 go me can no fan check it say ade amoye ni say na wrong usuro mana
omo hu de
usuro mana
omo hu
suro nipa ne ja sama no enye nom keke o e ade e wo ho
ebinie
Sompa team football elections when is another opportunity for people to make profit ebi mu koko season aba aha na obeti akate na fi koko ni nyina so ne saka bibia na ne saka owi ana akopɛ nkyɛn ba bi de agina people who are interested in politics might follow some of these things but I would advise every single Ghanaian that is here I would team and every say chairman once a mabeka bia usuma ma
I call to that one bubulo
usuma ma kosroba form these people are not going to listen
amuntie kakre go me nyina Ghana fo ba yes about the intimate
and unuma de so wo mo ho a ebufu pa wo hunu no kra about them na wo ka no and they try to make sure say omo be hunu hunu aka wa hye asem na wo ka no omo ni wu asem o ka de anka esi wo ha after the World Cup na wo san community bi wu asem omo ni wu asem they have the courage omo hye ne oma asa de nyum de akire the emperor de konka easy no mo de na mo ni e bon samrane enim guase ekoba ye nyina they are still not scared
I'm the Jama football people mo anto ma ba and that several cause Jama football people
mo titiabu di asem na abeka be no so what are you going to say be court down wa bobo as a parliament akwakoji bibia to mutifia say na dey na parliament court ya carry nipa na odi wani mu ye wo MP wo constituency
akwaji atum
o how they say
yo
Kwaku
twen ze no be bona afia hu
yeah no anti akakra bi na ma hwe watch no so unya nkoya wo 1:17 minutes so the document ni nyina abeko na it's interesting say emra His Excellency the President of the Football Republic in Racket yes Okreku or submitting the form so you know the inclination and I say ntia inya yen say na say you Rajojo free or be submitting the forms in 11 a.m. TM say President by 10 now Marshal Wankasa all the big wigs are more sister you could see Urenechia memma Gina Brani memma ne ma omugina mbrani omoboni omo bon the chidom say President Twaso na odwuma so eni no omo ho and then a boy 11 no be who radio free any entourage no ho na the word started going out around the FA saying the endorsements are open when nyina
sana
nti oguso a o twen pebi so obenya so ansa na watimi aba no mo kro mo nye sure say obenya no watimi aba submit forms no nti ebo tu a oduru ho no e obi anwa omba wonu say so to intensity and run with intensity say on pose na sign ba be ma na ye ntia with Dr. Obin Kasam so I mean MBA me nto aba emre dane 4 years ago na jojo fie gina be aket gina na no nipa de dom na di na chini dede don't go there mo and you ma dane and that's the beauty of life what 4 years could do Kwaku o submit me sure say elections committee no work of vet documents no ma submit no say e correct na bibia e correct ye ma obi a good luck ye bompa yesre na nyame a osro na nyame a osro ye bompa yesre no say obi biara obetu ni nan every baby akọ baby Kwaku so okọ bontoa na why campaign say ento abama no free esiko ekosi FA presidency no yankopon kata obia ho na onfo obia nkudura sumdwemu jojo na omuntibi nye won campaign na ne football for peno omonto abama no yeta omachi Ibrahim Sanidara I don't begrudge him baby no ginan and a man keka ne okeken I have nothing against his position. Nemum, say football is not a private good; it's a public good.
Oh, okay.
Munhye, abano mokotu no kasaye mjoja mwako ne shase with forms. Football for the nyama sada fam hoben,
and this is football for now. I say, Omo Kotamale, fire home, and fire home. He's referencing us, and until I'm assuming cabino. My young Kotima radio soon Mira, young can ye pet. Emra now criticize the question, you know, Bian can't say football ne nipebidia. But ma with Jumano, as if the chair bois, Nisunku, a jabwana, Nisunku. I don't begrudge Sanidara. I don't. Nimu. Obia ni ho Ghana ha. Oko baby e kofa Ghana sika. Editua na athletics coach ayituan ka na aban editua ka. Elo ma na kwon Dr. Andrew Usu ayekwa kotu omuka one at the championship no. Ministry of Youth and Sports ni tu omuka na. Ghana Athletics Association tu omuka. Ti o real fonsa no ahwe de. Onua ka hu se wo yonko ne da eno da. Anyhow, ne memre no so na so mo be fa yesika kotua Blasters coach ka ene ka o mabo ye o mu se yensu ye nipa.
And then a Shigana for no.
And I make us say, yeah, or say, yes, ye nipa.
See, be our but
ye the Missika,
a home, I can afford.
And every or one for 2 hours, ye better, near teche, none your more, no to my yamanesi. Ye anyhow be a better
Papa, your war, no crasia. Wabra, Titini Muriman, a bunny boba, your best car to a pick your crown in a copram pram. A bishop Bunza cry qualifies it. I was here then a can at 20 and 17, but I papa nis cantino. Ya in a film. Oh, Abusiano come ye, you know what can't show. Tis a nipan of your or no, who is
no Bank of Ghana crata ye, a decutia Miliban River, 3-man committee selected on Ghana for her. It's a Ghana phone to me more mandate, some finance are fine, no problem. So what I say, into areas in the sun, na ne wom neba ye type process na chi omonto omaba no boko omonfa on documents enko na ne ombe ye bia na enye na enwie peye na 27th nduye no mato abawia we said ye si koi say ye nyi obi amfrima tefre ahwe ase wa na ya obebutu na ya toaso na bibia ye kama e be sense ntwofo so omonka no kra wom ne unhu ye ne mfa wani nkaka onto aba ni bi you can shape public opinion. Na munya football for na nkasa no monkoto aba na pere yemra na bibia anye boko. It's a good day for them. Esko ne so no menhu nipa ne bebre omoko. It's good. It's a good day for them. Ye bompa se bibia
offers your ba asase no atetremo.
Na some no can insiso. But minim ni o prepare na man be gina o de percent bi em
ai ba babila la sa food road there ba bitia
insiso
4 years was not enough for me to have executed whatever was assigned to me to do. Me, I always have one project, that's the Pram Pram. When I came and I was attached to the Pram Pram committee, then there were 20 acres of land. But we may buy 20 acres, between my 18.6. And in that, me free or me was 67.25 acres. I'm making a German GFA. I chose GFA. And before say, I can't say me register land. I can say me palm squatters. So I've started it. Let me finish it. When I finish it, I'll go.
Okay.
Yo, Mayani.
Good. No, see, I'm fine. These people should invest in politics. I'm fine. So I'm saying, can be. I'm fine. You get the point. This is your executive committee member. Error of omission. Obia to me and Fonso. Fonso and Nipebia. I mean, Semina me wo kwakudo ho adwuma de wakogina se kasache amount for ahead of as part of a political campaign strategy. You don't get any figure right, wrong.
Yeah, we always
overshadow in some papa wakanyinara.
Well, from 20 to 18 and I just
so we in the course
system.
So
hey,
I mean, people should start embracing inclusivity. Obianka hubi. We don't begrudge them. We don't. I mean, I don't begrudge them. Yami yadumo. You better say process no. I better cut thing. You better kama. Na bibiya tiding. Nobody is against anybody anywhere. Oman to amaba uni vote, mini vote, and come here ni vote. So te ase nti the over vote no on na be kwa akoto nti George Free asem no kan it sums it perfectly na me ne ya adwen say so football ne ya on beto abetia no senya ose opese omonsesa na ne ese no they should rescue it adwuma bi ani also so mpese mbe adwuma ni nti de na obeye patro what you say ti esre nyame kopon say onno mo na omudwumadi omukodi no nwi pepepe. That's all we pray for them.
About the
well, first of all, this notion I've had opportunity to debate my very senior colleagues in this, and you know, and it doesn't make sense to say football for the Manjamas. It's absolutely ridiculous and nonsense. I've always said this. It's absolutely nonsense. Football, of course, show them the Premier League as a production, put in their room, call their families and clap, go and watch matches. It's nonsense. You hold it in trust. That's a Ghana Football Association, Football Association, Sandra Football Association, a Ghana Football Association. It's very important. A Maswani Dre Nise Benipa Refi Nyansa. So it's important that we must put this on record. Then don't grant essential for me be essential for any some because essential for fast semna. You find ko my na na more cross somuti. You want Ghana for. So that nonsense must stop. Sorry, I've been around for a long time to say it's nonsense because that's not the way it used to be in the past. Very important. And I said, you are mancrophobia and some buy to do that. So Sandra, yes, you are a very good friend of Kate. I mean, from London, very close friend. The three of them, Chief Larry, him, and Kate, they are tight friends. They've been in London for years. So as a friend, you can speak like that. But in the context you are speaking to a central for a journalist, and I bet you could do a BBC. You don't expect you've been a director of Ghana Football Association. We are color different. We maybe a udum purpose or attaining certain heights. No experience be a man colansu and yansan for. It's very important. Zimi abu neme bo obey bishop mimi
no creba.
That's the different years because unya enyi age e se ho oni e no anamoto mu.
No cre.
Ntina ye nka ye ba no ye say ye suan panyifo asa ye suan panyin suan kolasa. So you as a very good broadcaster, what do you say? I mean, and you, Ataka be a critic of Kwesi. You became a communication director. A conference by any part of the process. Now we do purpose where you don't speak like that. And he, me am madam for, but Sebi onsian Kasa, Kasa say football for. Then the issue about George Amauka said football for Nenyano. He Uncle George, so he didn't speak well. Uncle George, we win in football. You should speak maturely and with wisdom. Sorry, I say me. I do baby. I take on adult people because he values any customs, you know, and tressa. It's a penny chia. Me fear it. Me no me too penny for me brave, and I learn from that. So how much chia baby because how much some of us we still uphold those values. Sorry, I say. So you can't speak like that. And they, first of all, election. No? Because I can't afford we are a mirror. Nemo can say I am betra anka can afford bedenti. Now league number no can afford extra now fantastic. So you don't speak like that. Reckless remarks from them. And you expect them to know better. Now the difficult aspect of what presenting from a dear Humpa everything. I pray. I thought I saw a bumpire. Look, I heard the disqualification.
Vetting.
Look, yes, I've been part of that process. It's normal. Eh? Okay, should I disqualify Pama? Eh? No shania ketia. And you no credit. That's what I do for is there. On any day you put it the two scenarios. Can I say okay? He's not even qualified to contest. With Danegoza alone is worse.
Danegoza there. Could you mean that?
Yes, Palmer didn't so Yankotia Ademidi. Okay. Well, there's no evidence that. Only there no be our Sunday.
Apostle about.
No,
vetting. What was said the evidence and all. But
me say disqualification through vetting. Aye, who change bibia. Heh. Ora ko nyante ti time. Town election so over contesting. I'm finding it difficult to say this, but Rashim Lai no House of Lions. So, Catherine is on sign or endorse it. But the floor around here, possess on your west or endorse your rear on disapprove your endorse on your no done after the representative way. Document. So the team manager has endorsed on behalf of the club. But CEO are overruling after presentation. Now, for presentation, you don't have an option. The only space you have is vetting. Vetting, and this will present you. So appeal no. Appeal no be kono. You must bring fresh element to indicate, sir. As someone consider. But CEO not fresh, sir. Man can't focus on sign. Now the CEO about FIA or no na deal. So only a community go back if you.
You wanna see?
That is where from now to vetting be 21st, 25th August. Obi odi ko be pray. Ayo hu che bibia. E ho na machination na bibi kiti.
Ayeka.
Vetting. Hu che bibia. Hwe tama ora ko Jeffrey any ora a friend saying Palmer. I was there Palmer presented a vetting. Koye ko train. We feel Masai na va. Palmer we vetting by full confidence. Yet they come 1 hour. Oh, I say everything went well. So in Pabon attack, and that's what a year very from now to 21st, 25th of August, prayer is going to be very key. Say nyami be come on be vetting election committee akoma say obi fa dream boni bi enkonye bi. A year key because 2 minutes crowd. And the election committee one is considered by the FA. They're sitting the FA. A lot of prayer. Because process no, it has not always been fair anyway. O bompire say, nyambe come on kwanso, omo fa dream boni bi nye ba omba di no kre.
Ebe ye juma.
Maza, tight, papa. This from now to 21st, 25th, I'm we vetting now. Maza jai. A critical part of the whole process. Baby, whoop because say I'm vetu na you can't say disqualify. Maza, you want to
and they were really about.
That is where a lot of prayer and sometimes some pressure from media will go on them. So they be me. So I dream walk around.
My dream beyond you. Yeah. Money being be teaching. I be.
Me cancel many idea no can't buy
boni here power.
At this stage there, oh manifest will be a master. Yeah. Start say come on some nemo in Pabon kukom ehun pa. Cause we any nyina wie na hesiwa. Abu unya qualified.
Yeah, there as like ayere.
Abu ehun pa.
About all the you.
Me say Palmer no or the Mercedes Benz na buy. Me no me tin Benz nchen ye diko oh na nya je obi akọvet onu say we here cool.
Arechia
P4P the boys to bow P4P. What's that P4P anye P na ko for P. So a lot of prayer because there's a time I was watching.
I was Oja remember 9 to 12 final lap. Na ya ba Mate. Ti ya ko chine beba na de akibia to aso etimi de amount ya ko na kinsa beba ti ye pije mu na de aka to aso e amamo.
Sompa Sports.